What's up, y'all? I'm Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut, and welcome back to part 3 of our pressure washing extravaganza playlist. At least that's what I'll call it now. But no, this is part 3 that I've been going through with you guys. In part 1, I took you through the criteria that I was looking for when it came to a pressure washer and pressure washing setup to be able to take care of my driveway, sidewalks, and house here. In part 2, I showed you how I used that setup, including a surface cleaner, to clean my brick paver driveway. And in part 3 here, I'm going to show you how everything did on concrete sidewalks. Now, keep in mind, this is just water, no soap, no bleach, no chemicals, no nothing like that. You can see that I got really good results just with the water. Now in the future I might go back and do some more heavy cleaning and stuff like that, but for this particular set of videos I just wanted to see how things would do with water only, as well as in the third video you're gonna see I kind of just mainly had a lot of fun messing around. And I think most of you are like me. Sure, you like doing pressure washing, you got to get things cleaned up. You know, I don't want to get any more letters from my HOA about dirty sidewalks and driveways and stuff like that, but for the most part this is just an excuse to get outside and do a little bit of work. And this is one of those tasks that, man, when you get into it, I mean, you really get into a zone and it's actually super enjoyable.
Have a look at those roots, John Perry.
Okay, so here we are out here with this side. Now, I don't know if you can tell, it just looks a whole lot wider. But, I mean, basically, if you come down here, you can see where, you know, not done and done. And some of the carvings that I did here, they're still in there, but what do I care, right? It's my sidewalk. I'll destroy it if I want to. This stuff's pretty old, so this is probably going to need to be replaced sometime pretty soon. But for now, it's definitely acceptable and will keep me from getting letters. Now down here you can see same thing, nice and white and clean. I need to show you the before and after here because you can see it right there. There's before and there is after. And I will say that 0 degree definitely pitted this. So you should not use a 0 degree on your sidewalks. I do it on mine. I sacrifice. I destroy my sidewalks so you don't have to. I also did go ahead and do around here, just with the 40 degree nozzle. You can see this is when I got to the end, I got a little tired and I missed a few spots down in through here. But if you want to see what that looks like before and after, here's what it looks like after I did it. And here are some that I didn't get to yet, so this is what it looks like before. Need to edge too. Also, I'm not really sure, can you see the stains here on the concrete here? This is definitely iron staining right here, and in a video coming up here, I'll show you how to get rid of this on your sidewalks, concrete, wherever it might get to. It's pretty simple to do, but it's one of those things that does happen a lot, especially with some of the fertilizers and stuff we use. I mean, there is sometimes some give and take. When you want your lawn to be double dark blue, you do take a risk of sometimes getting a few iron stains here and there. And I'll show you a real quick and easy way to get these out. Once again, using products at Home Depot. No affiliate links needed to clean your sidewalks. You know what I'm saying over by there? Okay, just a couple quick announcements. The first one is, those of you that live in the transition zone in south, especially those of you with warm season turf or cool season turf where you're not overseeding, you're getting very close to the time to put down your fall pre-emergent to stop poa annua, hembit, chickweed, hairy bittercrest. These are all fall germinating weeds that I promise you, they're gonna cause you problems next spring. I'm gonna see it in every single Facebook group I'm a part of. These pictures are going to start coming up as early as January. If you click the link in the description below, I have a full blog post that explains to you all about that, the temperature zones that you want to hit, which it's soil temperature of 70 degrees. That's when you put that down. Again, it's all there, all the details, all simple for you, as well as we have a product that's a 0020 with Dithiopyr, which is a great pre-emergent for all of those problems, as well as 20% potash. Potassium is very much needed coming out of summer. It's something you want to start packing into your lawn to help it recover, especially warm season turf. The more potash you get in here in the late summer, fall, the better it's going to recover and the better it's going to be able to wake up next spring. So that product's got both for you, pre-emergent and potash. The other thing about potash is it gives your lawn this nice true green color. Remember, I'm in fertilizer restrictions here. I cannot apply nitrogen or phosphorus, and I haven't applied anything of that nature here since June 1st. And here we are all the way in September, and just look at this color. This is from that potash that I put down. If you want to see that video where I show you exactly how to apply that Dithiopyr with potash, I'll put that in the description below. Now, I'm here in Florida, and it's a little bit too early for that for me, and a lot of friends in Florida had asked me why I was doing that. The reason was I had to test the product to get the spreader settings right, so I did go and apply it early. So if you're in Florida, it's a little bit early, but if you're up north of Florida into Georgia, and again up into the transition zone over into Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, all over that way into the Carolinas, you guys know if you're transition zone or south, you are definitely starting to come up on that window. And again, the blog post link below will explain that to you in detail and let you know when the best time is to throw her down. Okay, last thing is, last Monday on Labor Day, I put out a video and I promised you guys I'd give out 5 t-shirts to support A's Lawn and Landscaping. I love to support lawn care entrepreneurs like him, and I bought some of his t-shirts to give away. The winners are here. Those are all chosen through a random comment picker. If that's you, send me an email at shop@thelawcarenut.com and let me know your address, and I'll get your t-shirt sent out to you right away. At the end of the day, I know you guys want to know, Alan, are you happy with the purchase you made? And the answer is yes. I feel like for the $465 roughly that I spent to get this pressure washer, surface cleaning attachment, and the added extension, I believe that it was well worth it, especially considering that I upgraded from that electric. It just makes the job a lot quicker, more efficient, and to be honest with you, it makes it a lot more fun because I don't have to fight it. I can just let it float like a butterfly and sting like a bee right over top of all those pavers and that concrete, and it works really, really well. So with that, I'm Alan Hayne, the Lawn Care Nut. Hope this video has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the driveway.